guys? Nanubabo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louis Season and welcome to Wherein Pampanga. As soon as I receive yung mga food packages na nandito sa table natin ngayon, I got really excited. I mean, just from the look of them, they are so colorful. Ayan, it's a mix of different colors, guys. There you go. I get really excited kapag ganun yung mga pagkain. Alam ko na it's gonna be filled with vegetables and some healthy food yung mga ganun. So for today's vlog, we would like to thank AnyBelly for providing us these amazing goodies. Meron tayong 4 na klase ng dish na pinadala nila. So let's start on my right side. So meron tayong chicken salad. Oh wow. And then meron tayong shawarma salad. We also have shawarma rice. And on my left side, meron tayong bibimbap. Where will I go first? So siguro mag-uumpisa tayo dito sa chicken salad. There you go. So again, before we actually start eating it, I would like to give a shout out kay Sir Aaron Paul Beirit Kiambao. You might wanna check his page. He's starting to vlog, no? So supportahan po natin siya. Supportahan po natin lahat ng mga gustong mag-start ng kanilang mga channel. We'll start with this chicken salad. Guys, Ooh. Again, to be honest, guys, I'm just amplifying it. I get really excited kapag colorful yung mga pagkain na nasa harapan ko. Oh wow, so heavenly. Grabe ang sarap. Some more of those vegetables. Oh wow. Dito pa lang guys, medyo hahaba na yung vlog ko kasi uubusin ko to. Pero di ko gagawin yan. Dahil I'm gonna save some space for this remaining mga food boxes natin. Right? That's enough for now. Meron din siyang shawarma rice. Oh, look at that. Oh, check that out. Shawarma rice. Tingnan natin. Even the rice has a flavor, huh? It's not a plain regular rice. Wow. Grabe naman, Sir Aaron. Masyadong nagpa-impress, ha. Talagang sinarapan mo yung mga pagkain. Super duper. I'm super enjoying it. Actually, nagpipigil ako sa rice, pero this one, parang nakalimutan ko yung rice diet ko nito. Well, it's a good thing. Meron silang shawarma rice. Meron din naman tayong shawarma salad. For those of you who want to skip rice, pero you still want to enjoy the flavor of a shawarma, this is the meal to order. Naman, ha? Tutu. Ayaw magalala. Naman, ha? One more. Oh, man. Grabe ang sarap. Either gutom ako or talagang masarap. Enjoy with me, guys. Enjoy with me. So normally, when you eat a bibimbap, you mix everything. But ako, bago ko ginagawa yung mga ganung procedure sa mga pagkain, I'd like to taste it part by part first para alam ko kung ano talaga yung lasa nila for mga each ingredients. Let's proceed with mixing the entire dish. Oh wow, I super enjoyed this. Sir Aaron, hindi po ako magkakamali to recommend you guys to anyone who would like to taste your food. It's super flavorful. Although I am enjoying most of the meals, pero nagpipigil talaga ako sa rice. So, I might probably go for this one. Yung chicken salad nila. Has the same enjoyment I'm probably gonna get for sa mga rice meals mo, but probably next time. But anyway guys, I'm gonna enjoy this. So if you're interested to buy AnyBelly, make sure to check out their fan page. We're also including the phone number dito po. So you can call them. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Again, dito po sa Where in Pampanga, it's our advocacy to help small businesses, even yung mga startup home businesses na gusto mo pa-promote po dito sa community natin. You are all welcome. For this time, we would like to thank AnyBelly providing our food samplers for today. Thanks so much for watching Where in Pampanga, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you on the next video. Until our next vlog, see you guys.